Hello all, in this video we are going to make the clevis pin assembly. Okay, so guys, in clevis pin assembly there are three parts. One is yoke, another one is U shape, and this one is pin. Okay, this is called an clevis pin assembly. Okay guys, without much delay, let's start. First of all, I'm going to select this part. So I'm frequently saying in my video that how to draw a 3D design. Okay, I will select this XY plane. Okay, sorry guys. So how to make 3D design, how to make from basic, okay, in a very easy way. So to make a very easy way, you have to draw your component parts or 3D design step by step. Okay guys, let me show you guys. Here is our dimension. I forgot to show you guys. So you can take a photo from here. Okay guys, this is an front view, this is top view. It is enough for drawing the 3D design. Okay, no problem guys. So take a photo, take a picture of on your mobile, so that you don't have to see frequently. Now I'm going to double click on it so that you can use multiple times. So it is 50 guys, it is already there. It is 160. Okay, what syntax error? $160. Okay, after don't try to make each and every part at the same time. Okay, do step by step. Okay, now go to, this is 15 guys. Otherwise you can see your photo. I'll show you this time. From other time I will not show you guys. So you have to take a picture on your mobile if you are working on your PC. So now you have to make this this above part and this part. So I'm selecting this cross section part to make this vertical part, and for this I will select this top part. Okay guys, no problem. It is a 50 from bottom to here. It is from bottom to here. I will only draw the height till here. So it is of 15. Okay, from here to here it is 50 guys. From here to here it is 65, and I want to draw from here to here. It is of 50. Okay guys, so I'm selecting this one. Okay, now I'm okay. Now what you have to do is go to dimensioning. Okay, no need to dimension this one. I will only dimension this height, give the dimension to this height. This is 50. Okay, after then what you have to do is just select this one and this one, and about which you want to make symmetry. So go to constraint define dialog box, symmetry. Why I am making symmetry, I will tell you guys. Now what you have to do is select this part and this part. Go to constraint defining dialog box, coincidence. Now it will exactly coincide. So now you can either make this one and this one coincidence, but you can give this dimension. This dimension is 50 guys. Okay, now it will exactly match. Now go to exit workbench. Okay, go to here, and it is not 15, it is 20 guys. Okay, do not worry about drawing fillet. We'll draw it at last. So now I'm selecting this part. Go to sketch. Now I have a problem, or I'm confused. Okay, this is this part and this is other part. Okay, now I know this part. Otherwise you can see by rotating it. Okay guys, no problem. And go to this normal view, and I'm going to select this one. Okay, what you have to do, double click on it, give this as a 50. Okay, this. Okay, I don't want to give 50. Select this one and this one. Go to constant defining. Okay, sorry. Choose this one and this one. Go to constant defining dialog box. Coincidence. Okay, it exactly coincide, guys. So now you have to think about this distance. This distance is 120. You can see in the diagram, guys. I know it is time. What is the dimension? So now it is a 15. So now from here to here, now it will be what? 50. That's why I excluded this 15 before making this vertical bar. So it is 15. Okay, no problem, guys. Now you have to draw a circle. After then we will draw the what? Fillet on each part wherever required. Okay, I am selecting this one and go to sketch. By this way you can draw a circle, as well as you have to go this circle command, select this one, and you have to position yourself. If you want to position by explicitly by yourself, then go to positioning sketch and select okay. Before that, here this is the circle. By default it is known that it is exactly at the mid, that is from here or here it is 25 distance from here to here. Okay, and then what is the distance, this from this to this distance, what is the distance dimension of this circle? That is 30 plus 20, what? 50 plus 25, 75. From this position it is 75, guys. Okay, no problem. We'll go from here it is 75. Okay, I am going to select this one, this one. Okay, what is this? Okay, it select this vertical path, so I have to constant select this one. Okay, what happened? Sorry for the trouble. Okay, I will select this one, and give this as a, now you can see from normal view, this is the right way of giving the dimension. Okay, don't make mistakes. Okay, now I have given this way, now I have to give from this to this. This is the dimension is. Okay, I will give explicit. This is 25, this is width is 50 and half, we will take half. Now go to exit workbench. Now I have to know it is radius of 10, means diameter of 20, not the blind hole. Up to next, guys. So click OK. Okay, this is your upper part, yoke part. Okay, guys. So now last you have to give this, it is of 15, guys. Okay, it is given, you can see. Okay, this is also 15, and here there is no. Okay, here also. Okay, 15, no problem, guys. Okay, here in this way you can make this yoke part. Now in this I will stop here by making this yoke part, and the pin and the U-shape part will make in another lecture. But if you like my videos, please do subscribe, and thank you, guys. And after that, after making the assembly, we will also see the simulation. After making assembly, we will make the assembly also, and then we will and then I will show you guys how to simulate it on an ANSYS 17.0. Okay, guys. Okay, bye bye for till next video. Thank you all. Okay, you have to, if you want to select you don't know how to save to import this on the okay, no need to worry about. If you want to select the assembly, if you want to import this figure in ANSYS part, then you have to select save this in a specific way, that is in a specific extension file, that is .stp or .igs. okay, both are compatible with that, so no problem guys. Now I'll give the name, that is yoke part 1 of the what, yoke part 1. okay, thank you all.